How to check if __str___ is implemented by an object. I want to dynamically implement __str___ method on an object if the object doesn't already implement it. I try using hasatr obj __str___. It always returns me true as it picks it up from object class. Is there a way to determine if an object actually implements __str___? I know I can use inspect.getMembers obj, but I am searching for a more Pythonic way. Edit. Test. I want to check that returns false instead of picking up the method inherited from object.
Since what you want to check is if it has a __str___ implementation that is not the default object.__str___. Therefore, you can do this. To check with instantiated objects, you need to check on the class. This will also work even if foo doesn't implement __str___ directly, but inherited it from another class than object, which seems to be what you want.
Any object inheriting from the object base will have a __str___ method, so testing if it exists is negligible. You could store a flag attribute on the object and test for that instead.
Well, in your object there is __dict__ that contains all the methods and variables that the object has. You can check if a given object has __str___ a method implemented by or. There is no difference between vars and __dict__, just vars is more Pythonic.
It turns out that built-in types rely on object.__str__ to do their smart formatting. I really only wanted to eliminate useless strings like __main___.foo object at 0x102990 and still have dict and other types printed properly. My solution. This won't cache default formatting of modules, functions, etc., for which source code could be shown instead via inspect.getSource, but I am not displaying them in my variable inspector anyway.